Chasing your 420A Ironworker Structural and Ornamental Certificate of Qualification in Ontario? This is the last mile playbook. It's non-compulsory, so we cover why the ticket is worth it, plus hours, eligibility, booking, the exam, prep, exam day, and what changes when you pass. One note, the red seal for this trade is still in development, so confirm the current status with STO when you certify.
8 sections, start to finish. The placement problem and the voluntary question, your hours and logbook, STO eligibility, booking the exam, what's on it, how to prep, exam day, and what changes after you pass. Skip ahead to whatever you need.
Structural ironwork is non-compulsory, but the ticket unlocks Ironworker's dispatch, CWB welding, and prequalification. Here's the hack. Sign up at aecstack.com, run the setup, and open deal flow. See which contractors just won tower, bridge, and transit steelwork. If you're still looking, walk in on one you know is busy. If you're already on a crew, take the jobs coming in your area to your boss. 5,280 work hours, 720 in school, 3 levels, about 3.5 years. And know where you sit. Under Ontario Regulation 329/07, 420A is Branch 2, Structural and Ornamental. 452A is Branch 1, Reinforcing. And the combo is the Generalist, 420C. Same Ironworkers locals. Eligibility needs all 3 school levels passed, 5,280 hours logged, all competencies signed, and your sponsor's final attestation in. Expect 4 to 8 weeks of lag. If it stalls past 8 weeks, phone STO at 647-847-3000. Don't email. Book at portal.skilledtradesontario.ca. Pay the fee first, $169.50. Enter your STO ID. Pick a date and center. First attempt is free for post-2025 completers. Toronto runs 4 to 6 weeks. Regional centers often 1 to 2. Don't book before you're ready. Multiple choice, 70% to pass, closed book, and your authorization to test letter gives the count. Watch the welding editions. CSA W47.1 is the May 2025 edition. Where people fail? Connection details, the most tested category, bolt installation methods, weld symbols, and rigging math. Your in-school binders are the syllabus. Drill structural drawing and connection detail reading. That's the most tested category. Know the bolt installation methods and weld symbols cold. Practice the rigging math. Use the current CSA editions and the CISC handbook. Plan 4 to 8 weeks. Bring photo ID and your printed authorization to test letter. The center provides a calculator and reference excerpts. Your phone, books, and code books get confiscated. The connection detail and rigging math questions eat time, so budget for them and keep moving. Pass or fail shows on screen. The red seal for this trade is in development, so confirm the current status with STO when you certify, especially for out-of-province work. Add CWB welding under CSA AW47.1 in your first year. That's the premium work unlock, often $5 to $15 above scale. Specialize in bridge, mass timber, or wind. And note the fall protection reality, 0 tolerance. Know your tie-off at all times. That's the last mile to your 420A. The full written guide is at aecstack.com. Sign up, run the setup, and find the work with deal flow. Next up is 636B Heavy Equipment Operator, Excavator. Drop your situation in the comments. I read them.